Welcome back to our Casablanca Walking Tour. In Part 2, we explore the city's unique New Medina and its stunning Atlantic coastline. We begin in the Habous Quarter, a revolutionary urban project from the early 20th century that blends French planning with Moroccan soul. Designed as a new Medina, its narrow, winding alleys offer a tranquil contrast to the city's bustling center. Nearby stands the Royal Palace, marked by these breathtaking brass gates and exquisite tilework. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. The Marché aux Olives is a sensory delight where the scent of cured olives fills the air in a hidden courtyard. Just steps away, traditional wood-fired ovens have been baking Casablanca's favorite almond treats since 1938. We move to the Maqama du Pacha, the pinnacle of Neo-Moorish architecture and a masterpiece of craftsmanship. Completed in 1952, this courthouse features 64 distinct rooms, each a competition of artisan skill. From chiseled stucco to polychrome mosaics, the level of detail here is simply staggering. Its inner courtyards, like the Court of Lions, evoke the grandeur of ancient Andalusia. In sharp contrast, the Notre Dame de Lourdes Church stands as a masterpiece of European modernism. Its cavernous concrete nave is illuminated by over 800 square meters of world-renowned stained glass. Designed by artist Gabriel Loire, these windows use a rich palette to evoke the warmth of Moroccan carpets. The dalle de verre technique creates an ethereal, shifting atmosphere as light filters through the walls. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. It is a place of profound stillness and light in the heart of the modern city. We head toward the Atlantic, where the city meets the powerful spirit of the ocean. Standing tall at 51 meters, the El Hank Lighthouse has been a vital beacon since 1920. Its design is a hybrid, combining functional form with traditional Moroccan minaret-inspired ridges. Climbing its 256 marble steps reveals panoramic views of the coast and the Hassan II Mosque. Below lies the Corniche, Casablanca's coastal playground and a social hub for the entire city. From 1930s pool clubs to the modern Morocco Mall, the Corniche pulses with the city's coastal energy. At sunset, it transforms into a social heart, where the sea breeze meets the rhythm of the city. Join us in Part 3 for the final leg of our journey. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.